Good morning. It's not 5 a.m., but it's 7 a.m. It's the summer. Every day is over 40 degrees. I'm having trouble to sleep. When I have trouble to sleep, I can't get up early because if I don't sleep over 7 hours, I'm not energetic or I can't bring myself to run. Oh my God. I made sure that nobody was on the way, but there is some kids over there, and I hate speaking a foreign language in front of people. Maybe we should train inside. This place looks wonderful. We even have a way to do pull-ups over here. What the fuck are we gonna do today? How do I feel? Let's meditate. I feel excited for the future. We have a long 3 months waiting for us in the summer. We have many ideas for content. I'm also going on a streak. The sun is blazing at 7 a.m. A streak of what? Of not relapsing. I'm keeping my word. What else? Maybe I should just start running? No, let's talk a little bit. Let's sit over here. Oh my God. I said I was excited. I'm also confused as fuck. I keep overthinking that the thing I'm doing, is it right? Should I learn another skill or... I'm doubting myself. I feel like I'm doing something pointless. Even if I don't make it, even nobody watches my videos, I'm learning how to speak English. I'm learning how to edit videos. I'm learning how to write content. Oh my God. Now it's summer, I can see my hands. I spent the whole winter building my forearms and doing biceps curls with a water bottle because I can't afford going to the gym. Gyms in Algeria are too expensive. It's weird how now that I have more time, I have less motivation or willpower to do anything. Like I woke up this morning at 5 a.m. but I saw the time and I started calculating how much I slept from yesterday. Yesterday I slept by 11 p.m. and 5 a.m. that's 6 hours. That's not enough. So I slept 2 more. I'm too obsessed with sleeping 8 hours every night because it has a lot of benefits. And from them is hormones. They go up like testosterone and serotonin, dopamine. You recover more, you'd be more happier. It cures depression to sleep more. Somebody's talking behind me. I thought he was talking with me. Give me 2 seconds. I said that in Arabic too. If you do this like this, tripod. Now we're stable. Maybe. it looks perfect. Storytelling or story time. I spent like 8 days working on a YouTube video called 7 Years of Learning English Alone. Basically, I wrote everything I know about learning a new language. I put it in one video. It got me just 140 views. I'm thankful for that. I'm getting used to Instagram memes. When you make a good meme on Instagram, it gets you 100 million views. It's crazy. Even the population in Algeria is only 48 million. When you make more giggle or laugh, it feels crazy. It feels like I did something crazy. But on YouTube, you work harder, you get lesser results. And when you do something stupid on shorts, you get 1,000 views. But you know what? I'm the most persistent motherfucker of them all. I'm gonna keep making long form content until I make it. I don't care. I just remembered the day where the microphone didn't work. So I made sure that the cable is sticked properly to the phone. There was a time in university I was recording. I recorded like 3 hours vlog with the microphone. When I got home, there was no audio. The whole sequence was silent. Now, from time to time, I get scared. Like, is the microphone working? Also, I'm preparing to play video games. I've downloaded some old video games that doesn't require good GPU because the new PC I bought doesn't have a dedicated GPU. What does that mean? It only have a integrated HD card, Intel HD 4600. It's useless for video gaming. But you can play old video games from 2000, like GTA San Andreas or Amnesia. What else? The old Call of Duty. Man, I hate people when they keep looking at me. Can you hear the car engine? People are sweeping over me with cars. Like, what the fuck is this guy doing in the summer at 7 a.m.? I probably think that I'm doing TikTok. Because most people do TikTok nowadays. Content changed my life. Like, it made me an extrovert. You know that feeling when you make a video and you upload it and people watch it later? It feels awkward. That's why it's hard to make content. People think that content creators are having an easy life. Well, guys, you're wrong. Dead wrong. Making content is hard. Especially if you're an introvert with an intense anxiety. Like me. I have a social anxiety because... Let's talk about my social anxiety. You know, I'm not from this city. I've born here, but I was raised in another country. not country, a city, another city. When I was brought here, people are different. They have another mindset or mentality. They also have a different accent of or the way they speak. Some they have trouble to understand me, and I have trouble to understand them. So every time I speak, they all go silent and listen to me. They give me that spotlight effect, and from time to time, it gets me depressed because they keep comparing me. They use me, or they make me a representative of my city. I spent like 7 years with this social anxiety. A lot of accidents happened to me with professors or teachers. They ask me to speak up. I speak up, but they don't understand what I'm saying. Then they realize that I'm out of the city, and they start treating me differently. And people or the other students get jealous. That creates other problems. When I mean they treat me differently, it's either in a better way or a worse way. They either bully me, or they either give me more privilege. Man, it's getting hot. I sat down beneath the sun for 10 minutes and now I feel burned. There's something I learned recently. You should never announce your plans. Right now I was about to announce that I'm going to start working out hard. Like hard mode. Like I have more time, I have no excuses. There is an area in the brain that's responsible for willpower. Research has found out that every time you do something you hate, that area in your brain gets bigger. Fuck off. So, my god, this cat is annoying. I don't have food, so it doesn't understand. Anyway, so in a paper, find out what you hate the most. For me, it's working out, video editing, script writing, making YouTube videos. I enjoy uploading them, but making them is annoying as fuck. So by doing the things I hate, I keep enlarging this area in my brain. I also found out that the older people, they don't have a large, I can't remember the name of that area, that's why it's awkward to talk about it. I found that athletes have a larger, let's call it willpower area. Athletes have a large willpower area, but fat people have small ones. And when fat people start dieting, they do a diet. That area starts getting bigger. They build willpower. Think about it. It makes sense. I think everyone should start working out, or not working, doing the things they hate to build willpower, because willpower is magical. Let's say you have willpower to do anything you want. Every time you get inspired or you have an idea, you stop overthinking about it. You just do it because you have willpower. I overthink a lot. So when I'm sitting down or laying on the bed, I always get ideas or inspired. But acting on them, making action is hard. Because I'm always dopamine depleted. Because I scroll through social media or play video games for hours. There is two channels I highly recommend watching. Therapy in a Nutshell. They basically teach therapy, psychology. And Dr. K, the healthy gamer, on YouTube. He has some videos about emotions and addictions. Use these two channels to maximize your mental health or optimize your mental health. With a good mental health, life gets easier. Your decisions, your relationships, everything. Oh my god. I'm 24 years old. 2025 has went quick. Too quick. I made some progress. Now every month I have like 1,000 viewers. Because I made a lot of videos and those videos doesn't stop. They are online. People search for them or they found them by coincidence. They watch. So every month I make 1,000 views. It's not much, but 1,000 are a lot. That's why you have to stop consuming and start making. Being a creator is good. If you watch some advice on the internet, like YouTube videos, tutorials, everyone would say, be yourself. Because nobody can be you. That's true, but learn everything you can. That's my advice. Video editing, script writing, uploading the video, watch all the tutorials. Keep struggling until you make it. That's my advice. Keep struggling until you make it. Don't be you. Sometimes be fake. It's okay. Because everything you do is gonna be you. Let's get into it.
Right now I could do only 2 pull-ups. These fucking mosquitoes are so annoying. My triceps are aching. I haven't done pull-ups in years. 8 pull-ups and I feel my back dislocated. Let's end it with some push-ups. I hate the summer. It feels like I'm dying. The sun burns. It's 7 a.m. God damn it. I miss the winter. Running while it's raining. Or when you're cold as fuck. And after a workout session you're warm. I miss that feeling. Let's continue. There's 8 more and we finish this workout session. We're almost done. Now I'm wondering, should I edit this video? I try to not edit, just post it as it is, but people don't watch. I hate doing retention editing. Feels like I'm faking it, which I'm not. Ah, fuck. And see the goddamn engine. It's loud as fuck. Let's end this.
We're done. We're done.
No. Oh my god. Now we're done. Let's chill in the woods.
Gotta stop right here and think. What's going on in my life? I live in my 20s, I'm confused. I keep trying. I'm throwing everything on the wall and waiting for something to stick. Get the fuck out of my face. Oh my god. So what's next? A cold shower maybe to start the day. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I inspired my father. He watches my videos. He bought the new shoes. He's starting to think that he should work out, to run. He said that he would run today, but he didn't wake up. It's a good sign. At least he got inspired. I'm gonna push him. I'm gonna pull him out of the bed. I couldn't wake him up. I couldn't force him this morning. He's old. He's over 50. He needs to sleep 8 hours. I'm gonna manipulate his ass into working out every day. Maybe we'd start making vlogs together. It's gonna be fun. My neighbors keep looking at me like I'm crazy, which I am. Summer vibes are annoying. They're nostalgic. In the winter when you start remembering them, they're nostalgic. But right now, they're annoying. Mosquitoes, sweat, the smell, people. I'm kidding, people are there even in the winter. Man. No. I need a job to make some money, to buy some assets like a camera or to buy a video card to edit the videos better. Not edit, to play video games. Stop fucking lying. Anyway, it feels good to be outside and not sitting on your ass inside. Like the least you can do outside can make you happier. That's the best thing you could do. Home. Man. I know people would rather to stay home and watch movies or play video games and be rich, but we're gonna feel empty, depressed all day. That's why people are going to gym, to build themselves. They have that need of doing something. It's instinctual. Building something makes you feel happy. Let's start moving and get the fuck out of here. I just remember the days where I was singing. I used to come over here in the woods and sing out loud. I really believe that I could be a singer. My god, people are over here with their families. Can't be recording them with my tripod. Let's take a U-turn and get the fuck out of here. Baby, you were in my mind all day. It's nasty as fuck today. Get the fuck. There'd be a lot of mosquitoes when there is woods or a jungle besides your home. It's 8 a.m. That's why there's people outside, engines and shit. And I don't like recording in front of people. It's annoying. But I'll embrace it. I'll embrace it. I will embrace it. And move forward. If you don't move forward, gonna be stuck at the same place every day. You were in my mind. My hands are getting sore, especially my shoulders. Especially my shoulders. I'm gonna stop the recording over here. Have a great day and see you tomorrow.